Hello everyone. For my project, I chose to do a little bit of research about Wilson Workforce Rehabilitation Center, which is located in Fishersville, Virginia, and that's a picture of the center. I chose this place because it provides people with disabilities comprehensive individualized services to realize personal independence through employment. It also offers classroom instruction as well as hands-on training in the workplace. The agency is located in a picturesque and quiet village surrounded by nature, as you could see from the picture, in Fishersville, Virginia, about 2.5 hours from Marymount. The population served by this center is the Virginians with disabilities who are 18 or older, and this center makes sure this population enters and remains in the workforce. These are some services and accommodations provided by the agency. They offer evaluation and therapy services to individuals who have been employed and incurred a medical event and desire to return to work. They offer training programs, supported work readiness, student internship programs, and vocational counseling along the path to employment. WWRC helps their clients with job search and job placement. It also provides credential programs consisting of classroom instruction and internships, which allow consumers to gain knowledge through practical experiences and to enter workforce. Some extra services provided by Wilson Workforce are driving services. They offer driving evaluation and learner's permit class, occupational, physical, speech, language, cognitive therapies, assistive technologies like wheelchair seating and mobility, adaptive driving, assistive computer technology, and also rehabilitation, engineering, nursing, and medicine. Some additional information that the information that I learned about this center is that they collaborate with the Department for the Blind and Visually Impaired, with VDOE, and other employment service organizations. They have a significant collaboration with schools due to their status as a state-operated program with the VDOE. Many schools tour their facility to help students with transition, and one of the most difficult aspects of transitioning is to get the information out to the needy individuals. The outcome of attending this agency is competitive integrated employment 6 and 12 months after leaving the agency. This site could be a good source for employment transition planning because of its abundance of vocational and rehabilitation services, which help individuals with disabilities get classroom instruction, evaluation, hands-on training in the workplace, and job placement. I would definitely recommend this agency because it offers a variety of comprehensive services, support, and benefits to people with disabilities. It equips them with crucial independent living skills. It offers them opportunities to find employment, and it provides them with medical and therapeutic services. Wilson Workforce Rehabilitation Center makes everyone feel welcome, included, and accepted through its large variety of assistive technologies, beneficial therapies, and psychological evaluations, which are combined with supportive counseling, intervention and treatment, and behavioral health services. So this is all that I had about the Wilson Workforce Rehabilitation Center. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation.